Hello, hi, welcome to Mohan's Views. Today we are going to see Samsung Sound Tower reset. Okay, in Samsung Sound Tower there is three different model is there: T70, T50 and T40. Right now I have a T50 model. For this model, this is the remote control. This remote control is for same for all three models. Okay. In all brand party speaker, there is common issue: Bluetooth not pairing, source not working, sometime USB not playing. For this common issue, we can reset this unit in our home itself. No need to carry this unit to service center. Okay. Now we are going to reset this unit. Before reset, we need to cross check whether power supply connected or not. Now we need to put device into standby mode. For that, you just turn it off and turn it on in back main power switch. After that, in remote control, just turn it off. We need to long press play pause button for 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, now this unit will go to for factory reset. Okay, after factory reset, just cross check whether previous issue resolved or not. If problem not resolved, then we need to carry this unit to nearest Samsung service center. Hope you guys like this video. If you people like this video, just like and subscribe and support. Thank you.